Hey everyone, this is Jesse with FarmingSeattle.com. Wanted to do an update on the aquaponics bed. A few changes. I took out a bunch of strawberries back here, right there. They're just taking up a lot of real estate and they haven't really been producing a whole lot. I mean, I have a couple berries on this side that I can show you. So that is a big berry. Whenever they do produce, they're pretty good. But I wanted to get a bunch of stuff propagating. This is all black elderberry and they don't look so great. I've got a couple that are leafing out. We'll see if they actually root, but they're not looking so good. I have a bunch of hydrangeas that I just stuck in there a week or two ago, which are like all leafing out, so those might do actually pretty well. A couple more strawberries right here. And at one point I had this, there were so many roots growing in this thing. You can see that just from all the mint that was overtaking it. So I did trim down the mint, the comfrey that's been growing in here. I mean, the water level is only about, I don't know, an inch or so. Some more elderberry. I'm trying these elderberry in like basically just perlite pots. And they kind of just wick up moisture, so maybe just a moisture at the bottom level will do good. But the blackberries are looking better. We'll have to see if those do anything. Still kind of a slow trickle on this. Obviously there's enough moisture in here because these lettuce seeds are sprouting. We'll see if we get a lot from them. I'm also trying some cucumbers in here as well. See if I can get some production out of this box, which was mostly for filtering. But let me go to the other side. I've gotten a few plants that I took out. This is mulberry, which rooted. I have two more mulberries that rooted, and they're just in these really small seedling root bags. They sit in water, so they kind of wick up water as much as they need, which is good. These might be a little too small. I don't know. Well, I'm testing them out. I also started some elderberries in one of these. I had to throw one out. It looked like that. It's all black and dead, but one of them's alive, so going that route. Some other plants that have been propagated. Now I need to bring them to the front and have them watered in pots. Goji berries back here. It's probably a little too early to see if it'll work. I'm thinking these blackberries hopefully will work, propagating wise. The tank itself is doing fine. I've just been adding water every once in a while. I'll try to keep it pretty close to the top, maybe a couple inches or so under that down pipe right there. But they got the aeration going on. Clean out the pump every once in a while because it'll get dirty. And finally, these wicking cells have been doing a lot better. I extended the pipe right here. It used to just drain right there, and it goes out that way, which kind of brings the water more through the system rather than just right there and raising the level. I've had these elderberry plants in here for a couple weeks now, and they're starting to sprout out, so they might actually work. And then we got lettuce and cucumbers over here. At this point, we're probably running close to the cucumbers need to actually start doing something. They're pretty slow and growing right now, so we'll see if that works. But that's kind of the overview of the aquaponics system right now. I've been cutting some lettuce. A lot of it wants to bolt since it's actually getting warm. Like this lettuce is going. These ones are about to seed, so I need to plant more lettuce. But overall, it's doing pretty good, and just kind of need to automate the feeding of the fish in case I'm gone for a while, and it'll be pretty much working on its own. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.